Changeovers begin with a secure HMI login. Using the KeyGuard RFID fob, the operator accesses the machine settings, selects the product recipe, and follows the required adjustments through the interface. Each step shows the exact area of the machine that needs attention, along with the target measurement or position needed for the new setup. Operators can follow on-screen instructions while making adjustments directly on the machine, reducing mistakes and creating consistent changeovers across shifts. Once an adjustment is complete, the operator confirms the step on the HMI and moves to the next guided instruction. The system continues through the full changeover process, guiding operators through each adjustment in the correct order. Guided changeovers can display instructions in virtually any language, helping support multilingual production teams. As operators move through the process, the HMI tracks completed adjustments and setup progress in real time. Making changes to these machine settings requires maintenance-level access, which authorized users can unlock using the KeyGuard RFID system. The operator can then continue through the remaining guided changeover steps. Wayne Automation's guided changeover system comes standard with every machine, helping facilities simplify training, improve consistency, and keep production moving efficiently. Contact us today to learn more.